Do you have any unique talents? I don't know if it's talent or that unique, but I can solve the Rubik's Cube in under a minute.
All right, Father Matthew, it's time to prove that you can solve a Rubik's Cube in a minute. So first off, you guys got to mix up each other's cubes to prove there's no foul play here.
You're a quicker mixer up than I am.
Keep mixing it up.
No, don't keep mixing it up. Alright.
Now, do we get time to inspect?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright. I know to which side is flipped. Just one way though.
Okay. You guys ready?
Sure.
And go.
Yeah, I'm still going.
You gotta keep going.
Oh, look. And it's almost there. Okay.
Yay! What were the times?
104.
Timmy was 24. And then Father Matthew was 104.
I was very
Congratulations.
desperately trying
I
to catch
feel
up.
like we can both do better.
We could.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
I should be able to more get like 55 seconds. That's not happening.
Yeah, do you guys want to do it again?
Sure. Do you want to switch cubes? Round 2, switch cubes. Okay.
Right, inspect.
All right. I don't know.
Okay, are you ready?
Sure.
And go.
This different yellow color is messing me up.
I feel that.
Twenty-nine seconds.
Oh, man.
That's okay. You're not using your cube.
I know. Are you liking my cube?
Yeah, I like it. Oh, I get to skip a step. It won't save me much time actually, because I was so slow here.
Nice.
107.
Yeah,
107.
it still is. I was so slow in the beginning.
All right, are you satisfied with those face-offs? Or do you need to do another one?
I don't like that last one.
Yeah, me neither.
Maybe we should just stick to our own cues.
Yeah, I agree. That's why I'm mixing yours up.
Everything's in reverse. I don't know. Let's just go for it.
All right,
Sure.
are you guys ready?
All right.
And go. Oh, 104. Nice.
All right.
So he wins this cube
Oh,
as the champion.
It's like they're both cubes.
Yes, one's
this
for a
one's
prayer.
always remember that there are many ways to learn the truth, but there's only one truth. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life, and he's the only one who brings that peace and harmony you're looking for.